Hi, welcome to my series of quick tutorials on how you can shop Avon online. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a customer profile and let you know what the benefits are that you can enjoy shopping with me as your Avon representative. So once you go to my online store, which you see here on the screen, or you can click on the link in the description box below. Once there, you will then click on the login link that you'll find at the top right corner. Now, if you're new here, you can choose the create account link. You'll just need to fill out the information here, including your phone number, so Avon will be able to verify your identity whenever you log into a new browser. All you're going to have to do when this happens is answer the phone call and then hit the pound key. It's that easy. Now, if you already have a customer profile, what you can do is log in right here with your email and password. If this is your first time logging into the new site, Avon will send you an email with a confirmation code. Once you put in the confirmation code, Avon will ask you for a phone number. And like I already explained, this is for your security. Now, as you can see, once you have a customer profile, you'll also be able to log in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple login information. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, why should you create a customer profile? Well, with having a customer profile, you're going to be able to enjoy all the benefits of shopping with a representative, as well as any exclusive customer programs and special offers that your favorite rep may offer. Now, my customers are able to enjoy things like free shipping with their $60 or more order, and also receiving 10% off their first order with me. They can register to receive a free brochure in the mail each campaign, enjoy weekly email updates, enjoy exclusive coupon codes and discounts through my birthday club, Glow Up Rewards program, host a Facebook party, or refer a friend. They also can raise funds online for their favorite charity or cause. Now, if you would like to learn more about my customer programs and the benefits you can enjoy shopping with me, I will provide a link to my blog post in the description box down below, as well as other tutorials and tips on how you can shop online with Avon. Well, that is it on creating a customer profile and benefits, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.